Gear VR, face your fears of birds. VR Gearhead. Today I wanted to show you one of my favorite apps called Face Your Fears, which puts you in a lot of different situations that could be scary. There are multiple doors. Today I'm going to show you the fear of birds. Here we go. So if anybody has a phobia of birds, this will scare the crap out of you. Obviously, you were in 1983, and it looks like phone booths are still kind of active. There it is, hanging there. There's some birds that are pissed, and these cop cars are out of control, man. Somebody should pull those guys over. Huh, right? So it looks like you're in a really particular situation because you cannot get out because you're scared to death that these birds are going to probably eat you alive. I don't know, right now I'd be running into a car or something. This guy's an idiot. They look angry. Just waiting for somebody to call me. Nobody's going to call you back if you don't hang the phone up. Oh! Hi. There he is. Something tells me this is not bulletproof glass. I'm talking to you. What an ugly bird. That's why he's angry. You know the last time this bird got laid? That was one ugly dude. Whoa, hey there, buddy. That's his weightlifting buddy right there. No matter what they do, nobody gives them the attention they need. Oh, hey. There's another guy up there. Ah. Alright, something freaked him out. Oh, they are all over the place. This dude is so dead. Oh, what's happening here? There's somebody in that truck? Oh my goodness. Oh, yep. Probably survived. Oh, there's a dead dude right there too. Oh, more birds. Alright, they are all over the place now. There's gotta be some type of rights for Alfred Hitchcock if that guy was still alive. These guys would be so sued. Oh, there's one. There's two. There's three. Oh, I think we're going to die. This is the moment. Oh, Jesus. Alright, this is getting really close and uncomfortable. Oh, boy. Alright. Lips. I mean, by the way, that's his eyeball. That's disgusting. My name is Sean. I'm with VR Gearhead. Thanks for checking us out. This is Face Your Fears, one of the applications or games that are available that are out there. There are 5 or 6 different features that are on this specific game, including snakes and spiders and being buried alive and all that cool stuff. This is a VR Gearhead video. Thanks for checking us out. Check us out on YouTube and like our page on Facebook. We are VR Gearhead. Thanks.